Hello friends, we have seen expression of future time. You have seen the form, distribution, negative, contracted form or short form. Then we saw yes or no questions, WH questions, we have done exercises. Now we come to the last part of it, last part 1, that is passive voice. Passive voice, as we have already seen, is to be, the formula is to be plus past participle. Past participle. This is the basic formula. Past participle, or some people in some grammar books they say V3. V3 means a third form of the verb. Third form of the verb. Third form means, see, you have got like this: go, first form; went, past tense, second form; and gone, that is the third form. So 1, 2, 3. So this will be V1, this will be V2, and this will be V3. Some books you will find this. That's what I thought of this. I thought of just telling you about this notation, or the second of notation. V1, V2, V3, like that. Or we say present, past, and the past participle. Alright. So in this case, what happens? Take an example, then it will be very easy for you. See, the painter will paint the wall. What else he can do, isn't it? He cannot destroy the wall. So the painter will paint the wall. Now, you know the way how an active sentence is made or converted into a passive, isn't it? That is, here you have got, you consider this as NB1. NB1, then this you have got a VP, that is verb phrase, noun phrase, and then you have got NB2, that is noun phrase 2. Or we can also say subject, verb, object. So in that case, what you do, you bring the object here, the beginning, plus you have the verb phrase to be converted into a passive, that is to be plus past participle. To be plus V3. Okay. In that case, it will be to be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Then we can see the word will be painted. Be painted. So you have added to be plus past participle. The wall will be painted by, insert by the painter. So that is the passive. The wall will be painted by the painter. So what we are doing, will paint, that will become will be painted. So to be plus past participle. To be, the form of to be. Past participle of the given verb is painted. So you have got the passive. It's very simple, because we have been doing this right from the very beginning now. That is our we started this discussion of tenses with the present continuous tense or present progressive tense. You remember that. So we will do some more examples, then it will become very easy for you. So you have got the questions again. You have, so will he do that? That is passive. Will he do that? So what will be the passive? I told you, when you get a question, first you change that into a statement. That will be, he will do that. Okay. Now you can change it. That will be done by him. Now change this in the question, because what is given is a question. So will that be done by him? So that is, see, the answer of 1 is 4. 2 and 3 you can, if you want, omit. If you are sure enough, then you can omit 2 and 3. But that is the process. The answer will be, will he do that? Will that be done by him? That's not. Or if you want to have a standard passive, will that be done? By him you can omit. Because by him is not a specific thing. If it's a person also, you can use it. Will that be done by so and so, by Ashok or by Shiva or some such thing? Then you have to use. Otherwise, this pronouns etc. you can leave out if you want to. If you want, suppose you make things clear, you can keep the pronouns also. There's no problem in that. Alright, so once again, one more we will do, and one more yes or no question we will do, then it becomes, I think it will be clear. So that is, let's say, will the students complete the project in time? Question mark. So passive will be the object is sorry. You want to do it step by step? Okay. The students will complete the project, etc. Now you can now easily change this into a passive. The project will be completed by the students in time, etc. Now make it a question. Will the project be completed by the students in time? Question mark. So that will be the passive of the, this is sentence 1, this is sentence 4. So the passive of sentence 1 is sentence 4. Clear? Any problem? No. Now it's clear. Alright. Now let's say question by question. Let's do a question by question. So how will you do that? Same. When you find that question is difficult for you, you change it to a statement and then it becomes easy. Because the statement you know. Isn't it? The statement how to do that you know. And therefore it's easy. Alright. So here it is. You have it. How will you do that? Passive. So where is the subject? You. You will do that. How? Isn't it? Then that will be done by you. How? Now make it a question. How will that be done by you? So that's it. So sentence 1 is the question, sentence 4 is the answer. That is, how will you do that? How will that be done by you? Clear? Hello? No. So like this. We have got another question. See, very often, this is a favorite of examiners. You can see, who will teach you English? Who will teach you? Who will teach you? So making it passive will be, who will teach you? That is, someone will teach you. So instead of you, who, someone. Then you will be taught by someone. Instead of someone, whom. By whom, not by who, but by whom. Because after the preposition you use whom, not who. Understand? So by whom will you be taught? By whom will you be taught? Who will teach you? By whom will you be taught? Clear? Yes, very good. One more example. Another question about why. You want why? Yes. Okay. You know why or when or why will they why will they play chess? They can play something else. Why will they play chess? So that can be they, subject is they will play chess, then chess will be played by them. Why will chess be played by them? Why did you shift it here? Well, this is a question. See, when you have got more than one part in the verb phrase, so here you have got three parts. First one should come very near to the question word. That's the question word questions are like that, structured like that. Is that clear? Yes? So you have now all the examples I have given you. That is yes or no statement, yes or no, and then WH questions. Okay. So let's say one more. We will do one more example then. When will they or he or she okay, when will the artist draw the picture? When will the artist draw the picture? So the artist statement will be the artist will draw the picture. Object is picture. The picture will be drawn by the artist. When will the picture be drawn by the artist? Clear? So you have done all the question using question words. Then you have done yes or no question statements. Tomorrow we will do an exercise. I think by that things will become more clear. Until then, bye. Have a nice time.